Well, back tuning in to see this video, we're going to have a look at the May Day Bank Holiday weekend, the third update, I should say, of the week. It looks like we're going to be seeing high pressure building in, but the charts are a little bit deceptive, really. So we'll have a look at them in a moment. You would look at them and think it's going to be a nice weekend, but not necessarily the case on this evening's update. But it's all a long way out. It's still in the unreliable time frame of the GFS model, so don't take it too seriously. Now, if I get on video, just make sure you advertise it video ads on my pages at GazMobiles.com. You press play on video ads, you'll be supporting GazMobiles.com. Thanks so much for doing that. So here we are on Saturday, the 3rd of May, 216 hours away, and high pressure is ridging in nicely off the Atlantic. We're in quite a cool air mass. You get a cool northerly shock coming down through next week, and that's still the legacy of that is still over us as we go into the bank holiday weekend. So upper air temperatures show that we are in really quite a cool air mass there. It's mainly dry, some rain across the northwest of Scotland, and that becomes more important as we go through the bank holiday weekend, but overall it's mainly dry signals. It is cool though, with temperatures below average, just 8 to 12 degrees. As we go through to Sunday, as I say, you would look at that and assume high pressure is ridging in nicely, but we've got a weather system coming down across the country, and that's spoiling things. So if you have a look at the precipitation forecast, we see actually there's quite a lot of rain across the country on Sunday the 4th of May. Temperatures lifting up a little bit, but still a bit on the cool side, to be honest. And then as we go through to Monday the 5th, the actual bank holiday, Monday itself, high pressure ridging through the country, through the north of the country anyway, but we've still got a weather system across England and Wales sort of messing about. So it isn't as good as the chart suggests, and particularly for England and Wales there is the suggestion that there would still be some showery rain. I think this rain is overdone to the north. It would be mainly dry on that evolution, but for England and Wales certainly would be a risk of a continuing risk of showers. Temperature still really on the cool side, to be honest, between around 10 and 14 degrees. So the overall trend there is for high pressure to be ridging in, but once you get down to the actual detail of things, it's not as good as it looks. Now what you have to keep in mind with this, that it's in the unreliable time frame of the GFS model, so it isn't to be relied upon in terms of the detail. The trend there isn't bad with high pressure coming in. It's the same sort of trend we had on the last update that we did on Tuesday. So I think overall it might not be looking too bad. Perhaps signs of high pressure coming in, but the actual detail, we've got to pin it down, and that'll become more obvious next week as we get through to the reliable time frame of the model. That's it for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye for now.